Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. And in this one, we're just gonna be installing the Tesla letters on the back of my car. And for this video, I'm gonna be using my phone. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this camera and the phone camera itself, just comparing to the camera that I use. So I just want to know the difference of, like, from your perspective, because for me both of them look good, and I obviously believe that the camera is definitely better because it has better quality, I guess, and better sound, but I don't know yet. I'll see when I edit. But for now, I'm gonna use this camera for this video specifically because my camera is not with me right now. That's the main reason. But yeah, I really wanted to install it now. Here's how the first one looks like, and then it's gonna be all letters. We'll see how that looks. Just lining it up and then pushing on it. That's simple. So here are all the letters installed. Let's see the final look. And I'm recording with a phone, so let me know in the comments down below how the quality compares to the camera. Hopefully this doesn't look crooked. I have a feeling it already does, but let's see. It's not too bad. And that's the whole video. Basically, it was pretty quick. I installed the letters, they look pretty nice. I got it from Abstract Ocean. I'm gonna leave a link down below, mainly because I felt like the back of the car was empty, and I really wanted to have something there, and I was gonna put my YouTube link there, but I decided not to do that and just go with the Tesla letters because it just looks nice, better than the Tesla logo. So the letters are pretty cool looking. I don't know, still looks weird to me, to be honest, but I feel like I gotta get used to it. But other than that, it looks okay. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and a lot of new stuff is coming up, so you should definitely subscribe and stay tuned because this car is gonna be crazy looking. So yeah, see you later. Peace.